Roblox not responding. How to fix that? In this video, I will tell you exactly that. So first thing first is that make sure you have a stable internet connection. For that, all you have to do is to go to your Wi-Fi, and in the Wi-Fi, make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi connection, and your Wi-Fi has an internet established connection. So if you're sure about that, what you have to do next is go to your settings of your mobile phone. Go to the setting, and in the setting go to about phone or your storage. So for me, my storage is shown in my about phone section. So make sure you check that you have enough storage to update the Roblox game. As I have 1.6 GB left, it's pretty low, but I will still be able to update the Roblox game. So right now, as you guys can see that I don't have the available update, but if the update is available, you can simply go ahead and click on that and your update will be updated. But if the issue still persists, go to the app information, and in the app information, go to your uh, uninstall button and clear all data button over here. So simply go ahead and clear all data, delete all data of the game. So if the issue still persists, what you have to do is to uninstall the game and then reinstall the Roblox. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.